In this tutorial, we will walk through how to create and submit a modification to comment in cdpACCESS, a tool that lets you propose changes to comments already submitted by other proponents in the current code development cycle. You can reach the Modifications to Comments section either from the My cdpACCESS menu or from the Current Cycle menu. Click on Modifications to Comments to proceed. Once you land on the page, you will see a list of all modifications that have been submitted by other users in the current cycle. This gives you a full picture of what has already been proposed before you create your own. If you are looking for something specific, use the filter functionality at the top of the page. With it, you can filter by subject matter, hearing committees, proponent, groups, or status to quickly zero in on the modifications most relevant to you. When you are ready to create your own modification, click the Create Modifications to Comment button at the top. You will be taken to a page listing all the available proposals. Find the proposal you want to make modifications to. In this example, we are selecting ADM 124. Once you have located your proposal, click the New Modifications to Comment button. A modal window will appear. This is where you will choose how to frame your modification. The instruction line drop-down will present two options: Modify as follows and Further modify as follows. Here's what each one means so you can choose the right action. Modify as follows is making changes to the original comment. Further modify as follows means you are agreeing with the comment, but want to add additional changes. For this tutorial, we will select Modify as follows. Click the Create Modifications to Comment button. You will be taken to the main editing page, where you can begin building the actual content of your modification. On the editing page, you have three ways to add content: add new content, import from book, or import from comment. The Add New Content and Import from Book options follow the same process covered in the proposal workflow. Here, we will select the Import from Comment option to pull in content from an existing submission. After clicking Import from Comment, you will see a list of all the sections contained in that comment. You can choose to import all sections at once using the Select All button, or individually select the sections you want to modify by clicking on the checkboxes next to each section. Once you have made your selection, click the Import Sections button. Your imported content now appears listed on the left side of the screen. Click on the section you want to work with, then click Edit to open it for modification. Inside the editor, you will see an instruction line drop-down. Click it and choose the one that is most convenient. In this case, we will select Delete and substitute as follows. This tells the system that you are replacing the original text entirely with your new version. Scroll down to the Live Preview section, which will immediately show the effect of your selected instruction. The original text is struck through, and the original text appears below it. If necessary, type your replacement content in the content field above. You can delete unwanted text and add whatever new language you need. The preview updates as you go. Once you are satisfied with your edits, click Save at the bottom of the page. Use the preview option to see exactly how your modification will look to reviewers. The preview displays your proposed changes alongside the original comment, reason, cost impact, and justification if available. The Settings option lets you review the details of your modification. Under the Proponent Tools menu, you can withdraw your modification. Please keep in mind that withdrawals are only permitted prior to the Finalize and Submit stage. Now, click on the Copyright option on the menu. There, you can sign a new form or select an existing one. This step was covered in more detail in the proposal workflow, so refer back to that tutorial for a refresher. With a copyright in place, go to the Finalize and Submit section from the menu. A checklist will appear showing the required items that must be completed before your modification can go through. Once everything is complete, click the Finalize and Submit Modifications to Comment button to officially submit your modification to comment. After submitting, you will receive a confirmation receipt showing the date and time your modification was submitted.